In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the general ledger to Excel in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for managing your business's financial data, and exporting your general ledger allows you to take an even deeper dive into your records. Whether you're preparing for tax season, conducting a financial analysis, or simply need a detailed overview of your transactions, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's jump right in. First, start by opening QuickBooks Online and navigating to the home screen. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Export Data. This is the gateway for exporting your various reports and lists. Next, you'll need to set the date range for the data you want to export. This part is important because it allows you to specify the exact time period you want to analyze. For example, if you're looking to review data for the last quarter, simply select the start and end dates for that period. Make sure these dates align with the report you need. After setting the date range, you'll notice options to include or exclude certain reports and lists from the export. Since we're focusing specifically on the general ledger, you'll want to disable everything except the general ledger option. Simply uncheck the other boxes, leaving only the general ledger selected. Once that's done, look for the Export to Excel button and click it. QuickBooks will now begin compiling your data to prepare it for download. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a moment, so be patient while the file is being processed. When the export is complete, the file will be downloaded to your computer. You can usually find it in your browser's download bar at the bottom of the screen or in your default downloads folder. Look for a file with the XX extension. That's your Excel file containing the general ledger data. Finally, locate and open the downloaded file in Excel. Once you have it open, you'll see your general ledger data, neatly organized and ready for review. From here, you can analyze the information, run formulas, or create charts to better understand your financial transactions. And that's it. You've successfully exported your general ledger from QuickBooks Online to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.